In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a full song with Suno AI. So let's dive right in and transform your musical creativity into reality using this innovative tool. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, type in Suno AI in the search bar. This will bring up a list of search results. You're going to want to click on the official Suno AI website, usually one of the top results. It's your gateway to starting this exciting journey. Once on the Suno AI website, locate the Sign In option and click on it. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Follow the prompts to register or sign in using your existing credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Create option on the interface and click on it. This button will lead you to the exciting world of music creation powered by artificial intelligence. Now, it's time to get creative. You'll need to make a song description. Think about the type of song you want to create. Is it a pop anthem, a smooth jazz number, or perhaps an EDM track? Consider the mood, the instruments you envision, and any key themes or ideas. Type out a brief but descriptive overview of your song, capturing your vision in a few sentences. This description will guide the AI in crafting a musical piece that aligns with your creative intentions. After you've crafted your song description and made sure it's exactly how you want it, go ahead and click on the Create button. This action sets the wheels in motion, prompting Suno AI to start generating your song based on the details you provided. Give the AI a moment to work its magic. Soon, you'll see your song come to life on the platform. Once your song is ready, click on the three-dotted line, often found near your newly created piece on the interface. This will open up additional options. Here, you want to select Download. You'll be given different format options to save your song. Go ahead and click on MP3 audio. This format is widely compatible and perfect for sharing your song across various platforms or devices. Congratulations, you've successfully created a full song using Suno AI. Whether you're a seasoned musician or just starting out, this tool offers a new avenue for musical expression, tapping into the power of AI to bring your ideas to life. Go ahead and give your new track a listen, and don't hesitate to share your musical creation with your friends and followers. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you're feeling inspired to create more amazing music. Thanks for watching, and happy music making!